Hello. So today we are going to demonstrate an analog lab trainer. It's used to perform analog circuit experiments. It very useful in analog laboratory for performing analog experiment in engineering, polytechnic, ITI and universities. It's also useful in testing circuit and making a project related to analog electronics. Feature of this board like on board DC outputs, different outputs, AC outputs, onboard function generator, onboard modulation generator, onboard continuity tester, onboard potentiometers, onboard toggle switches, and high quality breadboard we are providing with this. 37 designed experiment for breadboard as well. We have one more option along with this, that is ready to use circuit board like this optional modules. We have about 50 numbers of optional modules as per your syllabus experiment list. So I want to explain that here is a on off power switch. When we turn on, it will start. DC output, we are having a different outputs there, plus 5 volt, minus 12 volt, plus 12 volt, 0 to 15 volt, minus 0 to 15 volt plus variable, both are a variable. Continuity tester, function generator up to 100 kilohertz, 10 hertz to 100 kilohertz with the selector switch. And you can select there is a selector switch for to select the sine, square and triangle. Here to set the frequency, here to set the amplitude. And potentiometer, there are two type of potentiometer. One is a two range are there. One is a 1 kilo ohm and second one is a 100 kilo ohm. And this is a modulation audio generator, 10 hertz to 10 kilohertz with selector switch for sine, square and triangle, and the potentiometer for set frequency and amplitude. Here is a toggle switch, switch 1 and 2, and AC output 909. So when you want to use the module, you just need to remove this breadboard and fix this, okay, and put down, and it's ready for the experiment. So we need to create some connections for this module, like its input voltage minus 12 volt, ground we need to connect with the motherboard with analog lab trainer, and he is asking for the signal input, and this is the output. So we have given all the details in the manual how to connect and what frequency you have to connect. Okay, for now I just start the demo. So I will connect first ground to ground port, then minus 12 volt to minus 12 volt. And now, so here is the manual. As per manual procedure, I connect with the minus 12 volt DC and ground from lab trainer to module. Now I need to connect with the function generator. I need to apply 500 hertz, okay, with the amplitude 50 millivolt. So applied here. So you can see channel 1 applied signal, okay, and when I connect with this, I applied in a signal input, and output I connect with the channel 2. So you can see here amplified signal. So here is all the details, so you can follow further with the manual procedure. So we are offering specially this kit for the analog laboratory. For further detail, you can visit our website www.marsatpal.com. So I think we are having mention all the ranges, and our catalog are they also available on our website. Please, thank you so much.